Hello everyone, welcome to our new video on the side effect of refined oil. Refined oil is a commonly used cooking oil, but it is important to be aware of the potential side effect it can have on our health. One of the main concerns with the refined oil is its high content of trans fat. These fats are known as to increase risks of heart disease and may also contribute to weight gain. Additionally, refined oil goes through a chemical process that strips it of its natural nutrients, so leading to a decrease in its nutritional value. This can impact our overall health and well-being. Other possible side effects of the consuming refined oil includes digestive tissues, inflammations, and the increased risk of certain types of cancer. It is important to note that the moderation is the key when it comes to consuming refined oil. You may want to consider alternative healthier cooking oils such as olive oil or coconut oil. Thank you for watching and remembering to make informed choices about your foods and your what you consume for your healthier and happier life. See you again. Thank you.